Understanding hymen repair, a personal choice. Hymen repair, also known as hymenoplasty, is a surgical procedure. It reconstructs the hymen. The hymen is a thin membrane. It's located at the opening of the vagina. This procedure aims to restore the hymen to its pre-ruptured state. Many women choose hymen repair for various reasons. Some associate it with cultural or societal expectations surrounding virginity. Others may seek it for personal reasons. These may include a desire to feel whole again, or they may want to address emotional distress. It's important to remember that hymen repair is a personal decision. No one should feel pressured. Open communication with your doctor is key. They can help you make an informed choice. This choice should align with your beliefs and values. In many cultures, an intact hymen is linked to a woman's virginity. This deeply ingrained belief can create significant pressure. Women may feel compelled to meet these expectations. This can lead to anxiety and stress. Furthermore, societal norms often perpetuate these beliefs. This adds another layer of complexity to the decision-making process. It's crucial to acknowledge the influence of these factors. Understanding their impact on personal choices is paramount. However, it's equally important to remember personal autonomy. Your body, your choice. Hymen repair can be a way to reclaim your agency. It allows you to address these societal pressures on your own terms. Hymen repair is a relatively straightforward procedure. It's performed on an outpatient basis. This means you can go home the same day. Local anesthesia is used, ensuring your comfort throughout. The surgery itself is short, typically lasting around 15 minutes. The surgeon carefully stitches the torn edges of the hymen together. This effectively recreates the appearance of an intact hymen. Dissolvable stitches are often used. This eliminates the need for removal later. The procedure is designed to be discreet. The aim is to minimize scarring and ensure a natural-looking result. Patients are typically back on their feet quickly. Most can resume normal activities within a few days. Section 4. Timing is key. Planning for your special day. For those choosing hymen repair before marriage, timing is crucial. Ideally, the procedure should be done approximately 3 days prior to the wedding. This time frame allows for optimal healing. It also minimizes the risk of complications. It ensures that you can fully enjoy your special day without any discomfort or worry. Remember, open communication with your doctor is vital. They can help you determine the best schedule for your individual needs and circumstances. Section 5. Recovery and aftercare. A smooth transition. Recovery from hymen repair is generally quick and easy. Most women experience minimal discomfort. This can include mild swelling or light bleeding. These symptoms usually subside within a few days. Your doctor will provide specific aftercare instructions. These may include avoiding strenuous activities. You may also need to abstain from sexual intercourse for a certain period. This allows the hymen to heal properly. It's essential to follow these instructions carefully. This ensures optimal healing and minimizes the risk of complications. Attending follow-up appointments with your doctor is crucial. This allows them to monitor your progress. Section 6. Safety and efficacy. Addressing your concerns. Hymen repair is a safe and effective procedure when performed by a qualified and experienced surgeon. Complications are rare, however, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. These can include infection, bleeding, and allergic reactions. Choosing a board-certified plastic surgeon is paramount. They should have specific expertise in this procedure. This helps minimize risks and ensures the best possible outcome. During your consultation, discuss your medical history openly. This includes any allergies or previous surgeries. This information helps the surgeon assess your suitability for the procedure. They can also address any concerns you may have. Section 7. Making informed decisions. Your body, your choice. Ultimately, the decision to undergo hymen repair is deeply personal. It's crucial to make an informed choice. This choice should align with your values, beliefs, and personal circumstances. Remember, you have the right to make decisions about your body. Seek out reliable information. Engage in open dialogues with healthcare professionals. Empower yourself to make the best choice for you. Whether or not you choose hymen repair, self-acceptance and self-love are paramount. Your worth and value extend far beyond societal expectations or cultural norms.